Single-use packaging is our heritage, but now we've decided to move further as we realize how fast the market is growing. For a couple of years now, we have taken a deeper dive into medical device manufacturing and pharma products packaging. If you search for an external supplier who provides complete solution for your medical device or medicinal product, we will be happy to hear your needs. SteriPack is all about the customer. Come to us for clean room molding, cleaning, filling, assembling, packaging and sterilization under ISO 13485. Our design and development services and contract regulatory advices are always available on every stage of your project. With every challenge you give us, we make it our goal and mission to succeed. Your product made by SteriPack, our commitment and pride.